All right, let's talk about something that I think every parent can relate to. You know that feeling when exam season starts creeping up? You want to do everything you can to help your child. You give them the best shot. But honestly, where do you even start? Today, we're going to take a look at a digital learning platform called Boss's Academy, and we're going to look at it from our perspective, as parents trying to navigate all this.
I mean, that's the big question, isn't it? It feels like a constant search. And you're not just looking for any tool, you're looking for the right one, the one that actually makes sense for your kid, and crucially, matches up with what they're actually learning in school. It can be super stressful, but it all comes from that one place. You just want to see them do well.
And I think the biggest challenge we face now is just the sheer volume of stuff out there. The internet is like a massive, messy library. It's so hard to know what's reliable, what's current, and what's even going to be on the test. That's the modern study challenge in a nutshell.
Okay, this slide just nails it. On the left, that's the old way, the way that drives us crazy, right? Spending hours digging through websites for notes that might be totally wrong, that constant worry in the back of your mind. Is this even the right stuff? And then just hoping they'll learn by staring at an old textbook? But then you look to the right. The alternative is so much better. Everything in one trusted place, all tailored to their specific exams, with tools that actually make learning, well, interesting. It's really about going from chaos to calm.
So finding that one single platform is the goal. Boss's Academy is really trying to be that one-stop shop built to cover a whole bunch of different school systems all in one place. Let's see what they've got.
And wow, okay, this shows you just how wide they're casting their net. You've got specific national curricula, like the PSLE, JCE, and BGCSE for students in Botswana, sitting right next to huge international programs like IGCSE, A-Level, and IB. As a parent, just seeing your child's exam system on that list, that's a huge sigh of relief right there.
And here's another thing. It's not finished. This little note here about Cambridge O-Level resources coming soon, that's a really good sign. It tells you that they're actively working on it, they're expanding, and they're listening to what students need. It's a living, breathing platform.
So okay, they cover the right subjects. That's a big check mark. But the next question for any parent is always going to be about quality. Can I actually trust what's on here? And usually, the answer to that comes down to what the company really believes in. And here it is. This is their mission. It's a simple idea, but it's so powerful, and it's something every single parent feels deep down. It's not just about cramming for a test, it's about helping your child find that potential you already know they have. When you see that, you start to feel like you're on the same team.
So, what does quality actually mean in practice? Well, this slide breaks it down. We're talking comprehensive materials, notes, past papers, the whole shebang, and notice that word, curated. That's the magic word right there. It means an expert has already gone through everything, organized it, and made sure it's good. They've done the hard part, so you don't have to.
But here's the thing. It's not enough to just have a bunch of notes anymore. We all know how hard it is to keep our kids focused. Just handing them a PDF to read, well, that's not always going to cut it. So let's see what else they're doing.
I love how simple this is. It's a clear path. Step 1, get all the info you need. But step 2 is where the magic happens. Interactive quizzes. This is how you turn learning from a passive thing into an active thing. You're not just reading, you're doing. And that leads right to step 3, where that knowledge actually sticks in their brain, ready for the exam. It just makes sense.
You know, at the end of the day, any tool you choose for your child has to have the same goal that you do. It's not about fancy features. It's about one thing, their success.
And there it is, right there in black and white. They're telling you directly, our goal is your kid's success. As a parent, that's everything you want to hear. It feels less like you're just buying a product and more like you're gaining a partner who's just as invested as you are.
And sometimes, the most powerful idea is the simplest one. Just one. One platform to cut through all the noise online. One place you have to go to find what your child needs. And maybe, just maybe, one less thing for you to worry about during that stressful run-up to exams. That alone is huge.
So as we start to wrap this up, the big idea here is to think of a platform like this as more than just a resource. It's really about having a partner in your child's education who's there to help empower them for whatever comes next.
And I think that's the perfect question to end with, because it brings the focus right back to where it should be, on your child, and on all of their amazing potential. If you could take away all the stress of finding the right stuff, what could they really do? It's a pretty powerful thought.